Welcome to my pizza show Masterclass, a new series completely dedicated to the art of making pizzas. Johnny, where are we going?
We're gonna go make some pizza, Vincenzo!
I've had a lot of requests for this mini series, so stay tuned to see some of the best pizza chefs in the world show us their secrets over 7 episodes, so you can become a pizza master too. Guys, if you feel stressed, don't go and see a psychologist. Come and see Mark, and he's gonna help you to get the stress out of your body. There is a pizza recipe for all tastes, and you might be surprised at how easy some of the techniques are. But keep in mind, they all have one thing in common: good quality flour. Stay tuned on Vincenzo's Plate and watch every episode of this pizza masterclass. The question is, what is your favorite pizza?